This question is from NEET 2017 paper code Y, question number 148. Question is, a long solenoid of diameter 0.1 meter has 2 cross 10 to the power 4 turns per meter. At the center of the solenoid, a coil of 100 turns and radius 0.01 meter is placed with its axis coinciding with the solenoid axis. The current in the solenoid reduces at a constant rate to 0 ampere from 4 ampere in 0.05 second. The resistance of the coil is 10 pi square ohm. The total charge flowing through the coil during this time is. So we have to find out charge. Charge is what? Charge will be current into time. It's the basic formula of the charge. We know that. Now if you talk about charge, it is basically V by R, which is current into time t. Now in this problem, we have to find out the V and then we have to do all the calculation. So the V will be what? The V will be change in flux by time into 1 by R into delta t, right? So the Q would be, now change in flux will be what? That will be mu naught n capital N pi r square into delta I by delta t, right, into 1 by r times delta t, right. Now we have to put all the formulas, all the values here. So the Q would be, now we know that mu naught is 4 pi cross 10 to the power minus 7. If you talk about the small n, that is given to us, how much? 2 cross 10 to the power 4. So 2 cross 10 to the power 4. Now capital N, that is also given us total turns of the coil, that is 100. Now this is pi into radius is given to us, that is 10 to the power minus 2 square. Okay, and the current is 4 and time is given us how much? 0.05 second. So 0.05 into 1 by r. Now what is r? R is 10 pi square into time, which is 0.05. If you will calculate all these things, then charge that we are going to get is 32 microcoulomb. So this one is the correct one. Thank you.